Some battles are loud outside, but the hardest battles happen in the mind. Overthinking, anxiety, fear of tomorrow, thoughts that refuse to slow down at night. But this day, peace will speak louder. Isaiah 26:3 says, "You will keep him in perfect peace whose mind is stayed on you." So I stop feeding fear. I stop magnifying worry. I stop carrying burdens God never asked me to carry alone. I declare, my mind belongs to peace. Anxiety will not control me. Fear will not dominate me. Stress will not drown me. The peace of God is entering this room right now. Philippians 4 says, "The peace of God surpasses all understanding." That means even when life feels uncertain, I can still rest. I declare calm over my thoughts, calm over my emotions, calm over every storm happening inside me. I will not live in panic. I will not collapse under pressure. God is strengthening my heart. God is renewing my mind. God is teaching me to breathe again. Every voice of fear must become silent. Every tormenting thought must leave. Every heavy burden is being lifted. Jesus said, "Come to me, all who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest." So this day, I receive rest. I receive peace. I receive strength for tomorrow. My mind will not be a prison. My heart will not live in fear. God is with me in this moment, and because He is with me, I will not fall apart. This day, I choose peace. I choose faith. I choose to trust God again. Amen. Amen. Amen.